Good morning from not
Tirupati.
Nellore, only Tirupati, as we felt that it was not giving us much benefit going to Nellore last night in that
Quite late.
quite late to drive in that, so we stayed back in Tirupati only, and now we have started to visit Visakhapatnam. 6 o'clock is what we started, and it's showing exact 13 hours from here to the stay where we have to go. So 7:32 is what it is showing arrival.
770 kilometers.
Let's see the Andhra's road status and our travel journey. Keep posted.
ಲೆಮನ್ ಟ್ರೀ ನೋಡಿ
ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ.
ಬಂದಿರ್ಬೋದು.
ವೆರಿ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ. ಅದು ನಾವು ಇದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅದು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ರೂಮಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು, ವೇಸ್ಟ್.
But this kind of thing is better apart.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಇದು.
ನಾವು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಇನ್ನೂ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು.
Tell something.
This highway has improved actually. I remember from Tirupati to Naidupeta there used to be one Market Road. And that time this construction was going on. So now that it is done, it's nice actually. I hope there is no speed governor yet on this road because all the
Fights.
yeah, actually all the displays are showing irrespective of whatever speed it is showing same speed. So I'm just counting. Should not be like one message comes tonight that you have reached the speed. 300 change kilometer from Vijayawada and 720 from the place of stay tonight. Nicely done road. Early breakfast actually for us. A food court kind of place near on the highway only, Amravati food court. Very yummy, good, tasty food. Worth a try. Little too early for them to prepare, so dosa and all was still being prepared, so we didn't wait for that. We just took idli vada and all, but then it was really nice. Someone starting from Tirupati going towards Vijayawada, Visakhapatnam, worthwhile place. Then stop by for quick breakfast.
ನಮ್ಮಿಂದ ಬಂದು
ಸಗದ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಿದೆ.
ಹೌದು
ಅವಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರಲ್ಲ.
ಹೌದು ಇವಾಗ
ಇದು ಅವತ್ತಿಂದ ಹಂಗೆ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಲ್ಲ ರೀ.
ಹಂಗೆ ವಿತೌಟ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡೆ.
ಅಷ್ಟು
ಬಟ್
ನಾವು
5 ವರ್ಷ ಆಯ್ತು ನಂದು.
ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ.
ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಈಗ service
ನಿಮ್ದೇನು
ಮಾಡ್ಸೋದು
ಎಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷ
ಮತ್ತೆ
ಆಯ್ತು?
ಇಲ್ಲ
ಇಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ದು ಎಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷ ಆಯ್ತು?
ನಮ್ದು ಅಲ್ಲೇ ತಗೊಂಡೋಗಿದ್ರೆ ಸರಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಶೀಘ್ರವೇ.
So after early morning recharge, right?
Yes.
After early morning recharge, we are back on NH 16, and today's day is little different from yesterday because you can see at 7:55.
It's a bright sunny day.
Bright sunny day, which is resonating to Andhra climate. Let's see how it is. But it has rained overnight also. We can see it here. But I don't expect rain today because all blue clouds, full bright. It should be full warm day. Let's see how it goes. But then NH 16, as known, smooth road, mellow traffic. I had to see how it continues ahead. I'm pretty sure there should be some road work going on in Rajmundry, Vijayawada stretch because that's how it has been every time I've been coming through this road. Let's see this time around how it is. They've maintained this NH 16 well actually. I don't want to jinx it. Till now it has been good. The time we have started. Andhra Telangana anyways maintains road well.
Andhra and Telangana both road.
Even if you go through that Nagpur road,
Nagpur route also is nice.
it's good, but moment you enter Maharashtra, roads get messed up.
Yeah.
Till the time you cross Maharashtra, go to Madhya Pradesh, UP, again it's fine. Same story in this side, but this side what happens? Like Andhra only, road is good. Odisha also is good. Odisha has a problem of speed governors.
And MP roads are good, but
Cattle
cattle.
on the road. everything comes in parcels of pros and cons.
ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ
Karnataka,
Roads are
in
good.
that case, roads are good. Outside, city roads have become mess anyways now. Outside roads are good, and you don't have cattle. On the positive, you have a lot of eating options, which we sometimes miss in other states. So those things are certainly a plus for Karnataka. And I'm a little biased also, I have to be, because being there always, so should support. Look at this road, straight road, well tarred, greenery on either side. For this, you should be happy. At least not happy. Then if you should not have any qualms of paying toll. So
Actually, road is very well maintained.
nice it is.
It's smooth.
The greenery, any small water body, it's like a lake. Because of
Yeah.
rain and all.
Dagadarthi is the place.
After Nellore.
Is there a speed limit here?
There is obviously speed limit, but then I don't see or
Not
think
to be seen.
speed governors are not there, cameras are not there, hopefully. And I'm trying to
Cover up.
cover up whatever I can, because we have not seen those cameras
Make it up for last
until unless
months.
there is an interceptor vehicle somewhere. So this is which one? Third or fourth toll of the day, right?
Not sure. I was sleeping.
I think
Today
it's
more.
second.
No, more than that actually.
More near the
Third or fourth it is. Fourth it could be.
I think third.
Yeah. Karu. This is not Skyview, or has it got closed?
No, this is not the.
This is not the one. That's what. That was another 75.
It's like a glass one. Hulja Simpson.
Sim Sim Chu Manta. Okay, so see what climate has welcomed us. We were thinking of stopping in that Ongol Skyview toll and to show our fellow companion that toll which has got a restaurant above it, but the rain has been such nothing to be seen front. It's like zero visibility, to be very frank. Complete rain. Reminds me of my first trip which I was doing from Ranchi back to Bangalore. It was raining like that only. Same story now. Super rain.
ಇದು ಕೂಡ ತೆಗಿಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಕೈಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಬಾರಿ ಹೆಂಗೆ ತೆಗಿಯೋದು ಐ ಲವ್ ಒಂದು ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಇಡ್ಲಿ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಬೆಟರ್ ನನಗೆ ದೋಸೆ ತಿನ್ನೋಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾನು ಯಾಕೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕೂತಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಬಿಡು ಸುನೀತಾ ಆ ಕಡೆ
ಇದು ಬಾಗ್ಮತಿ ತರ. ಬಾಗ್ಮತಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ಬಾಗ್ಮತಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾ?
ಏನದು?
ಜಿಂದಗಿ
ಡೋರು
ಆಗಿದೆ ಬಿಡು.
ಹಾಕು.
ಆಗಿದೆ, ಹಾಕಿದ್ಲು ಎಷ್ಟು ಸರ್ತಿ ಬಿದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ.
It is not closed. Sorry, I should change this commentary. Appa, I'm waiting at home. You are sitting with me only.
You should put it as Appa, I'm sitting with you.
Appa, I'm sitting with you. Have some scare. Go slow. So after so many trips through this road, first time finally we went to the Sky View
Yeah, we always
Restaurant.
used to pass.
just because of our Baba being around. Just for showing him, we took a pit stop.
It was good.
Was good.
Yes.
Is it priced reasonably?
Yeah, it was okay. For one dosa and one what is that you had? Something you had? no?
Sambar
Vada and coffee. We had
Two coffee,
300 rupees.
300 rupees.
That is good. That was good.
It happened that ulta we have taken the route.
And it still
how?
continues to rain.
We are
We are through with that stormy rain with -10 visibility. It looks little cleaner phase now because I can see blue skies ahead. But I don't want to jinx. In morning also I told blue sky, and then it turned to grey, black, dark, everything. Whatever it is, but it is better than a hot climate to drive. So it's kind of smooth and fun. Vehicle is also free from all the dust from yesterday's or before journey. Cruising.
Kulja Sim
800.
Sim.
ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ 400 ಆಗಿದೆ 460.
Kulja Sim Sim.
ಲಾಂಗ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ತಿರುಪತಿ to ವಿಶಾಖಪಟ್ಟಣಂ. ಹೌದು ಹೌದು.
Kulja Sim
6
Sim.
ಗಂಟೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು 5 hours ಆಯ್ತು.
Sim Sim.
ಹೌದು. ಅವರು ಒಬ್ಳು ಮಗಳಿದ್ದಾಳಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಐದವರ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು ಗುರು, ರಜಾ ಇತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲ. 5 hours. ನಾನು ಇದೇ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ 5 hours ನಿಂತಿದ್ದೆ. ಆ ಬಸ್ದು ಪ್ಯಾಕೇಜ್ ಇತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಬಸ್ ಪ್ಯಾಕೇಜ್ಗಳಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ 3 hour 4 hour ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಇದೇ 5 hours ಇದೆ ಎಷ್ಟು. ಹೌದು, ನಾನು ಅದೇ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ, 1 hourಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ದರ್ಶನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ. ಒಂದು
Hi guys.
ಒಂದು ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು 50 ಜನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ಸ್.
Somewhere in Andhra Pradesh.
Well, they have maintained this divider, pinkish flowers, and the drizzle and the rain is only adding to it. That side, if you see on the left, such nice mountain range spread out. It is like, if not to meet time in terms of reaching destination, you can always take small detours and go outside and see some places, those mountains, and come back. touching Vijayawada now. I guess it should be another 100
I
kilometers.
think we've stayed in Vijayawada earlier.
Previously, yeah. Vijayawada, and then we're planning to somehow make it to Rajmundry for lunch, but it'll be little late. Let's see.
How far is Rajmundry from Vijayawada?
Another 100 kilometer, I guess, something it should be.
So 2 more hours.
2-3 hours, it will be more than that.
Okay. The
Around
hours are really
two.
nice.
This divider, if you see, it's so nice. Vijayawada entry toll, and the rain has again resumed in a proper manner. But then that's good. We are not complaining because it's much better than a hot, warm day. It's much calmer, smoother drive.
And it's not that heavy rain actually.
It's just kind of drizzling in between.
What's the toll name?
Huh?
Toll name.
Toll name is unknown. Toll name is Kaza Toll Plaza. Another thing which will be proof of some joy in my voice is that Big Daddy's mileage. I don't know how and what, or my driving has been better. It has given me 720 kilometers to come to reserve
From full tank.
from a full tank. Mileage which it is showing is 14.6. So not bad. It has been, I can't complain. I'm more than happy. 14.6 for this size of a vehicle. It's very nice. Hello Baba.
Yes, no doubt about that.
14.6 kilometers it has cruised. So I liked it. Good experience till now. Kulja sim sim. Chu 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 chu.
Sim Sim khul ja.
Pull gayi. Suri, it heard you only, Suri. It didn't hear me. You told Kulja sim sim pull gayi. Now because we are in Vijayawada city, so shops are also like city feel. There should be traffic also now. I will lose little bit on my timing, but let's see. Bye-bye. Vijayawada ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದ್ರು famous ಇದೆಯಾ ಮೇಡಮ್? So we had a brief pit stop. We filled car's tummy and relieved ourselves through a bio-break. And now again back on the road. We're trying to make for lunch in Rajmundry. Not sure how early or late it might be. But yeah, because of the rain, there's little lesser traffic. At least in our side of the lane. But now trying to exit Vijayawada town. And let's see after that where we can get lunch. I'll ask my fellow passenger what is the situation of hunger.
Hungry, not much hungry now. Still I can manage another 1 hour also. Because I had one in between
after one hour we will not find anything. Then there will be a gap.
Better to have it now only.
Let's see. We'll just
Whenever
see,
it is
because
available, we should have it.
I know for sure that around the river, the bridge which is Longworth, there, nothing will be there after that for some time. But let's see. I don't remember also properly. But I wanted to have in Rajmundry. That appears to be little too late.
But
Too late,
Punjabi is
huh?
good.
Punjabi only will eat, so but somewhere else we'll eat. It's fine. And back to Vijayawada town, they have maintained so nicely. Look at this divider.
Uniform.
Uniform, trimmed greeneries.
Looks like a hotel.
Yeah. Like entering Bangalore airport.
Looks like a rich city.
It is.
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇಕ್ಕಟ್ಟು ರೋಡ್ ಆಯ್ತಿದ್ದು ಅಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಚಿಕ್ಕದಾಗ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇವರು
ಇಷ್ಟ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ.
ಲಾರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗಿ ಬಿಡಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಏನೋ ಹಣ್ಣು ಮಾರ್ತಾವ್ರಲ್ಲ ಏನೋ ಹಣ್ಣು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹಣ್ಣು ಬಟ್ ನಾನು ಹೇಳೋದು ಈ ಥರ ಹೈವೇಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ್ದು ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಗಳಿಂದೆಲ್ಲ ಸಿಗ್ತಾರೆ ಜನ ಹಣ್ಣುಗಳು
ಮುಪ್ಪೆ ಏನು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ರಾಜ?
ಕ್ಲಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಸರಿ
ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನೇ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಪಾಪ ಇದು ಮಳೆ
ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಪೊಟ್ಟಿಪಾಡು
ಪಾಟ್ ಕೆಲಸ. ಇದೇ ಹಾಯ್ದೆ ಇತ್ತು ಬಾಬಾ, ಫುಲ್ ಡಾರ್ಕ್ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್. ಇದೇ ಥರ ಮಳೆ ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ. So we had a lunch. I will tell full heavy lunch only because by name it was a Punjabi dhaba, though it was not a Punjabi owned dhaba. Good food, non-veg food available. We had almost everything: rice, biryani, chicken sides, and topped it with a lassi. So we are now fully stacked up to go till Visakhapatnam our stay.
No
Let's
tea
see.
break, is it?
Tea break we can take in between somewhere around 5 o'clock. Current ETA is showing 8:15.
ಟ್ರೈನ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್
Rain is like we will go with you till Visakhapatnam. ದ್ವಾರಕಾ ಚಿನ್ನ ತಿರುಪತಿ ನೋಡಿ.
ಹಾಂ ದ್ವಾರಕಾ ತಿರುಮಲ
We continue. Actually, rain has been mellowed down. We are like 275 kilometers from the stay. We are discussing how the rain has impacted our
It's not much
ETA.
actually.
It has not impacted.
Not much. I don't think so. There has been no major impact.
When we started in the morning, our ETA was 7:50. We stopped some 3-4 times today. It is 8:10 now. Lunch, breakfast, everything included. I'm guessing another 15 to 20 minutes if we are able to adjust. That will be the perfect thing to happen actually. जितने का स्टार्ट रहेगा उतने पे पहुंच जाएंगे, इंक्लूसिव ऑफ ऑल द ब्रेक्स. You think we can?
You can try.
Let's see.
You can try.
We'll try that. Okay. Let's see. Under 90 or 85 kilometers from Rajmundry.
ನೋಡಿ ಬಾಬಾ, ದೂರ ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ
Godavari River. I have memories of my first trip on this road. The whole bridge was blocked. Whole bridge. And it was around 10:30, 11 o'clock, raining like this time around only. But yeah, this time, first time we are seeing it in the daytime. Both the times I have come this side, it was in the night. Good. It is a famous river in South India, right?
ಎಸ್
water is dried in this also.
It's not full.
Or not. No, it's raining that much. Look at the forest kind of thing there.
Island.
Railway. The bridge ಇರಬಹುದು ಅದು. 160 kilometers more, and but before that he did some shopping. Now he has to utilize that shopping. Then only he can drive. Papaya, guava, everything. But it is now the final lap of the day. Actually, not yet. 3.5 hours of drive still left. 160 kilometers. But now from here, for some good number of kilometers, it's through a city. It's not like a expressway kind of thing to fly around. Too much of local traffic actually, so speed gets compromised, and so that's the reason for 160 kilometers, 3.5 hours. One example is this. Look at this count of bike, the local city bus.
I heard one big statue is there.
That must be Hanumanji. In Andhra, they do that. Nice. Let's see the 3.5 hours. See the 3.5
160 kilometers and 3.5 hours.
Yes.
What is that statue?
That's Anjaniya. Andhra Anjaniya.
Andhra, it's very common, no?
So big one. You can cover that statue.
Yerravaram.
Yeravaram.
Oh, I had 3 papayas. Rishi, you have it.
I will not have guava because I cannot digest
Oh,
guava.
so big. Oh my god. So big, man. You could have taken the pics there, Rishi.
ತುಂಬಾ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಬಾ.
Huh?
Fine,
ಆ ಥರ
man.
ಬಿಗ್ದಾ?
Many like that.
Change of pilot for the flight. Still 2 hours 47 minutes to go for 115 kilometers. But then the greenery of Andhra Pradesh, greenery of Visakhapatnam outer is all set, all
Due to change in pilot, now the estimated time of arrival is.
But that's okay. As you told, 5 minutes only, no? So that's fine.
Yeah, now
How's the experience from your foreign vehicle to this Indian make?
not foreign vehicle. The high cross is an Indian vehicle.
Toyota to Mahindra.
Yeah, it's a big difference.
Au-
Big difference.
Automatic to manual.
Manual.
That is class, this is mass.
No. This is Salman Khan. It's raining heavily. Enjoying the rain.
The new pilot is enjoying Vizag rains. The darkness has added to lower visibility. Rain has decided not to leave us throughout the
Wherever
trip,
we
I
go and
believe.
come.
Yeah, it has been raining like crazy.
This time we should leave. Oh, what happened? Without indicator event.
Three souls are on the road at 6:15. Dark like this. The rain is like, okay, we will not only stop and somehow we have been able to maintain the ETA. But yeah, it's little too difficult with the visibility being zero to continue.
We'll cut the speed.
So we are now relieving Bangalore traffic, being in Vizag. Time we entered, from that time we are just crawling. I guess that is the case with every other city in India, so can't complain. And now 15 kilometers from the stay and 28 minutes. Possibly we will conclude with this last video and then just record the stay, how is it, and then put it together in the video. Thanks for bearing with us for the day 2 of our trip. We'll get back with the day 3. Oh, this is one-way road, no?
one way. ಯಾವ್ದು
Oh, that is the second way.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ.
Yeah, that is a good thing.
ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ರಿಷಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಹತ್ರ.
ಸಿ ಹತ್ರ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೋಡಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಅಂಗಡಿ ಹತ್ರ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು.